Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone. On this occasion, we will present material about past continuous tense. Here we have 4 members. 1. Myself, I am Rika Moderator. 2. Srinda Puspita, Aspek 1. 3. Vini Fitria, Aspek 2. 4. Fiona Febria, Aspek 3. Let us go into the first material that Sri Indah Puspita will read.
I will read first material. General, starting past continuous tense, status instance, the status, the event thinking. Place the past on the as of past continuous tense, verb first, most, and with ing. Verb plus ing, past continuous tense from of them asing the TP of to be. Was where. Was to subject, I, she, he, it. Where to the subject, you, we, they. Formula past continuous tense, status TP, positive. The formula subject plus be plus where plus verb 1 plus ing present participle. Example, the team was running. Negative, subject plus be was were plus not plus verb 1 in present participle. Example, the team was not running. Interrogative, be plus was were plus subject plus verb 1 in present participle. Example, was the running? Condition of past continuous. The past continuous description action the event in a team before now, which began in the past and were still going on the other event occurred. The station on which past continuous tense is at. Past continuous is at expression the following. 1. Static activity being carried out the specific in them in the past. For example, we were riding at 7 a.m. yesterday. He was eating 8 p.m. last night. 2. Static activity being carried out when an event occurred in the past. For example, I was cooking when phone rang. Was the phone ringing? I was cooking. They were catering when I came. 3. Declare to activity. More is going on stimulation the past. Sample study include. While I was sweeping the floor, my father was watering plants at 9 p.m. yesterday. I was baking a cake while my brother was reading the book.
You, Sri Indah Puspita. Furthermore, call material was read by Vini Fitria.
One or center, then material.
Past continuous tense and past simple tense. We often use the past continuous tense with the simple past tense. We use the past continuous tense to express a long action, and we use the past simple tense to express a short action. They happen in middle of the long action. Past continuous tense and past simple tense. I was watching TV when Jim knocked the door. Long action, a queer watching TV, expressed with past continuous tense. Short action, queer knock, expressed with simple past. When plus short action, simple tense, while plus long action, past continuous tense. I was watching TV when Jim knocked the door. I was watching TV when Jim knocked the door. When Jim knocked the door, I was watching TV. Jim knocked the door while I was while I was watching TV. Sentence that can be used in the past continuous tense. Know, care, smell, taste, like, dislike, have, want, need, love, long, own, positive, seem, believe, respect, understand. One thing that is often used for the past continuous tense is all day yesterday, they were yesterday, last today, while the whole day last night, last week.
Okay, thank you, Vinivia. And for the third material delivered by Fiona Fabria.
Definition and example of past continuous tense sentence. 1. Past continuous tense to indicate an action that occurred during a certain moment in the past. Time expression that can be used in bold. 1. At this time yesterday, or at this time yesterday, at this time last night. 2. At 5 p.m. this morning, or at 5 o'clock this morning. 3. All day yesterday, or all day yesterday. 4. In February, or in February. Example of past continuous tense. 1. I was shopping at this time yesterday. 2. What was she doing at 5 p.m. this morning? 3. They were roasting corn at this time last night. 5. I was doing physically exercise all day yesterday. 5. In February, she was working as a waitress in a well-known restaurant. 2. This tense is to show that there is a short duration action. Simple past tense that occurred when a long duration action. Past continuous tense is in progress. The subordinate conjunction will and when can be used with the following formulation. Simple past tense, negative will, negative past continuous tense. Will he was sleeping or when he was sleeping. Will they were parting or when they were parting. Will I was reading a book or when I I'm reading a book. Past continuous tense, negative, when negative simple past tense. When I got home or when I get home. When he opened the door or when he opened the door. When you called here or when you called here. For example, when the door was knocked while I was reading a book. 2. My mother was cleaning the carpet when I got home. 3. She was sleeping when you got here. 3. The past continuous tense is asked to talk about something that happens repeatedly. The intervals are random but are actually a natural habit. This tense is sometimes used to create an action. Example of past continuous tense sentence. 1. I was repeatedly checking this. 2. The girl was always yelling out loud. 3. My neighbor was always chasing stray cat off with his broom. 4. The past continuous tense is used with verbs that indicate change or development, such as grow up, improve, go, change. Example of past continuous tense sentence. 1. His hairway was going so thin. 2. My life was changing rapidly.
Okay, maybe that not until here the result of our present check are lacking and the honesty is we apologize. As for the suggestion that we can conclude our past continuous tense is a sentence that states events are happening in the past. The formula for the past continuous tense. Type of sentence formula example of past continuous tense positive subject plus be was or were plus verb ing or present participle. The, the team was running, the workers were quick. Negative subject plus be or was or were plus not plus verb ing or present participle. The team was not running, the workers were not quick. Interrogative be or was or were plus subject plus verb ing or present participle. Was the team running? Were the workers quick? The use of the past continuous tense is one of the honest activities that are being carried out at a certain time in the past. Example, we were gardening at 7 yesterday. Okay, the present tag we closed. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.